Yes, good morning, my dear students. And as usual, I am here to deliver one more video based on the compound interest. And this will be the last exercise from compound interest. This is exercise number 11C. Then afterward 11D also is there. That one is actually based on the multiple choice type questions, and that particular questions you have to solve by yourself. Obviously you should not get the answer directly after observing the answer from the answer sheets. You have to solve the questions and find out the answers by yourself, and then get the conclusions, get the answer. By the way, that one I am not going to solve. But in exercise 11C, a special type of questions you will find. Till now, whatever the questions actually we have done, that one is compounded yearly basis. That is rate of interest and the time taken during the time of calculations always been same. But in case of compounded half yearly, the rate of interest will be half and the time will be doubled. And in case of compounded quarterly, the rate of interest is 1/4 and the time is 4 times. As for example, suppose rate of interest is 16% and it is compounded half yearly. Then it will be 16 by 2 is 8%. And in case of time it is say suppose 3 years. In case of half yearly, the time will be doubled, that is 6 terms. Right, and in case of quarterly, the time 3 years become 3 4s are 12 terms. So this is only the concept. Formula is remains same. That is amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. That already I have explained. This is not a new thing for you people. Now one question from exercise 11C. Exercise 11C I am going to solve here. In this particular exercise, one or two questions I will solve, because more or less all are of same type. Say suppose randomly I am going to consider one question here. That one is question number 2. Find the amount and the CI on rupees 31250 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. It is given half yearly. So 1.5 years means it will be double, 3 terms. 3 terms. 1.5 become double. 1.5 years become 3 terms. That is in 6 months, 3 slabs will come. And rate of interest, it is given 8%. So it will be half. That is 8 by 2 is 4%. By the way, let us try to solve. So here it is given in question number 2. Here it is given that the principal is equal to rupees 31250. It is given. Okay, and then afterward time it is given 1.5 year, and rate is given 8%. Am I right? 8%. Since compounded half yearly, this statement is required. Since compounded half yearly, therefore time will be doubled. That is n. Here you have to write n, number of terms. 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3 terms, rather you can say, or 3 half years. And rate will be equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4%. You will have to find amount and the CI. Okay. Now the amount formula, you know very well that the amount formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Now we are going to substitute all these values one by one. So P is equal to 31250 into 1 plus rate. Rate it is here 3 terms. So write here 3 by 100. Whole power n. N is equal to rate is, I'm sorry here, It is rate it is given here 4%, 8% become half, and the time will be 3 terms. So this is actually the matter. So this one is equal to, now while going to take the calculations, I am finding that this is 425 is 100. So 31250 into 1 plus 1 by 25 whole power 3. So now after simplifications, 31250, after simplifications, 25 on the 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 by 25. And it is 3 times. So write here 3 times. Write here 3 times. Now what you will find here, this 25, this I have taken already these calculations. This 25, 1 by 1, if you are going to cancel this 31250, it will come, finally it will come, I am going to write here, you can check it, it is coming as 2. So whatever the result is coming, 2 into 26 into 26 into 26, which is equal to, obviously in the regular classes, we people's not going to take these particular calculations. You peoples are actually, I am asking you peoples to take these particular calculations. Right? So that way, here in front of me, you peoples are not there. So therefore, I am taking the help of calculators. By the way, the answer it is coming as 35152. 35152. So this is amount, rather you can say. So compound interest will be how much? CI will be how much? Amount minus principal, which is equal to 35152 minus the principal amount 31250. This is 31250. If we are going to take the subtractions, the result will come as 3902. 3902. So finally the answer is amount is equal to rupees 35152, and the CI compound interest, they are asking these two things, rupees 3902, and that will be your answer. So finally what you are finding, that if it is 1.5 years, it will become double, 3 terms, and it is 8%, then it will become half, 4%. Now you are substituting all these values here in this particular formulas, and after taking calculation, this result has come as an amount, and amount minus principal is the compound interest. I am substituting the values, taking the calculations, CI has come, and I have made an index here because it is spreaded here and there, scattered way. So it should not be in a scattered way, it should be in one place together. So whatever the answers you will are there, that one you will have to club together, and that one you have to write in one place only. So this is one of the question. Now let us go for the next question. Yes? Is it clear? I think it is clear. From whom I am asking. By the way, the next questions which I am going to select, that one is that one is question number 9. Here is question number 9. What it says, that yes, I have taken a big jump, because in between I have seen that whatever the questions are there, all these questions are of same type. That's why I have taken a jump. Now let us go for the next questions. The next question is, Sudarshan deposit, here little bit difference you will find. Sudarshan deposit rupees 32,000 in a bank, where the interest credited quarterly. Yes, in case of half yearly, that's why I have selected this process. It is compounded quarterly. Quarterly. If the rate of interest is 5%, in case of quarterly, rate of interest will be 1/4, that is 5 by 4%. And he has deposited this particular money for 6 months. By the way, how will you solve? 6 months means it will become 4 times quarterly. So here I am going to write all these things here. That is, principal amount is rupees 32,000. Isn't it? 32,000. And rate it is given. The rate is given 5%. And time is given only 6 months, which is equal to 6 by 12. That is 1 by 2 year. Since compounded quarterly, since compounded quarterly, so therefore rate will be 4 times, that is by 4, 5 by 4%. And the number of terms will be 4 times, that is 1 by 2 into 4 is equal to 2 terms. 6 months, 3 months, 2 terms. Okay. Now let us try to find out the amount. What are they asking you to find? What amount will he receive after 6 months? Only amount, not CI. So write here amount as a question mark. Now amount formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N. Okay. Now substitute the values all the things here. So amount is equal to then P 32,000 into 1 plus rate is 5 by 4 into 100 whole raised to N. N is 2 terms. Then afterward the calculations part. Then afterward is calculations part. 5 2s are 10. So this is 32,000 into 1 plus 1 by 80 whole raised to 2 is equal to 32,000 into 81 by 80 into 81 by 80 into 81 by 80. Oh no, it is power 2, no? So only 2 times. Only 2 times. Why I am going to make it complex? So this 2 0 will going to cancel. 8 4s are 8 5s are, which is equal to 5 into 81 into 81. As usual, I am going to ask you to take these calculations. But here already I have taken the calculations and the answer it is coming as 32805 rupees 32805. Therefore finally the answer is amount is equal to rupees 32805, and that will be your answer. I think it is clear. Okay, right. Now this is question number 9. Now I am going to give the finishing touch. Question number 10. Question number 10. Let me rub the board. Yes, obviously here I am not asking you to write the solutions because these particular things will go to you people in the recorded forms. So by observing these things again and again, by taking the review. Anyway, now question number 10. Arun took a loan of rupees 3,90,625 rupees, a big amount, from a Kuber Finance. Kuber Finance is actually a private financial company. Okay, so Kuber Finance. If the company charges, you will find that the company is actually charging, because it is a private finance company, so they are charging a big rate of interest. Here it is given 16% in spite of 8%, 10%. Government banks are actually charging nowadays. Now here they are charging 16%. I told you that you should not take any financial help from any private companies. Compounded quarterly also. So 16% compounded quarterly means rate of interest 154. That is 4% quarterly. Should not think only 4%, but it is coming quarterly for 3 months, 4%. What amount will discharge as his debt in 1 year? He has taken the loan for a very small period, only 1 year. Only 1 year means it will be 4 times. 4 times, that is 4 terms. By the way, let us start. So, question number 10. Here the principal amount is rupees 3,90,625. 3,90,625. Rate it is given as 16%. And time it is given as 1 year. Since compounded quarterly, this statement is very much required. So therefore, rate will be equal to 1 by 4, that is only 4%. And time will be 4 times, that is 1 into 4 is equal to 4 terms. And you will have to find only the amount, not CI. So that's why I have written here amount as a question mark. Now formula for finding amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N. Now substitute the values. It is coming as P is equal to 3,90,625 into 1 plus R is 4 by 100 whole raised to N. N is 4 terms. 425s are 100, which is equal to 3,90625 into 25 on the 25 plus 1 is 26 by 25. And it is 4 times. So 4 times you will have to write, mind it, 26 by 25. Yes, one more type. So it is 26 by 25. Now the calculations part. What you will find that if we going to multiply all these 25s, 4 times 25, 25 into 25 into 25, that is 25 into 25, 625 and 625, 625 and 625 you will multiply, then 3,90625, everything will cancel. Obviously, because I have taken this calculation, that's why I am quite easily saying that that answer should come. So what is the final things been left out? That one is 26 into 26 into 26 into 26. And finally the answer is coming as 456,976. 456,976. So amount is equal to, it is coming as rupees 456,976, and that will be your answer. Is it clear? So this is actually the last questions from this exercise 11C. So that's why the compound interest has been covered up. And obviously you have to solve this compound interest problem not only from this R.S. Agarwal book, from other book also, as that of your NCERT book, etc. Okay. And as usual, I am going to ask you that if you will have any doubt, you can clear the doubts by sending the question in my WhatsApp group, in your WhatsApp group, or directly to my WhatsApp group also, to my WhatsApp number also. I have given you the WhatsApp number. But one thing I am telling you, that last time when I have submitted this particular, last time most probably I have submitted the video on Friday. And on Friday morning I have submitted the videos, and then I have conducted one doubt class on the same date on Friday for standard 80. And down class I have conducted at 12 o'clock as well as on 4:30 or 4 o'clock, something like that. I'm not remembering. When I have asked the students that, have you seen my videos today? I have actually put that videos in the morning. The answer they have given me in a very lenient way. Yes, sir. My God. Means they have not observed the video. And I am finding here on this particular channels, we are finding that whatever the list of observations, I am finding that something 272, 300 students are actually observing the videos. Obviously, this videos not only is observed by the students of KLE school, but for the other students also. What I feel, this many numbers of students are observing, it is written there that 272 or 300 students been observed that videos. Then what I conclude that you people are actually click the things and you are watching only the first 2-3 steps, and then afterward you are going to skip that video. But there only it has been written that yes, this number has been increased. You are not observing the videos properly. So you are finding that what way we are making the videos. My fan is not working and it is terrible hot place, no air, no sound, so that we can record the things properly. And this way we are actually submitting the video. I'm not thinking about that particular students, those who are not bothering. If you people are not bothering, then how your parents and your teachers will run behind you? And then ultimately whatever the results will come, you are going to blame schools, you are going to blame government, you are going to blame your parents. Anyway, try to understand, so it should not happen. Okay, and then afterwards, I'm telling you that before starting the half-yearly examinations, you have to prepare some practical things, assignments. So I have actually thought some assignments, and that one I will give you a lecture on that particular assignment, that what you will have to do in group wise forms. I'm thinking that way only. That one I will discuss in the next videos. Okay, till then, keep healthy, be sincere, and be studious. Okay, thank you.